My name is Trevor, and I'm the owner of Maker Experiment, a small business where I create custom signs and laser cutting projects. The inspiration for this project came to me while I was trying to find a birthday present for my daughter. She loves to draw and craft, and I thought it would be great to create a custom storage box for her. And I wanted this box to be 100% laser cut and have moving parts. After creating the design in 3D CAD and laser cutting multiple designs and revisions, I'm excited to be bringing this project to you, and I hope that you love it as much as we do. It would mean the world to me if you consider backing this project and sharing it on social media. You can follow us at Maker Experiment to see what we're up to, and thank you for all of your support.